Are you getting the ijl11 Library DLL error after the Intel update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. Before diving into the manual fix for ijl11 Library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the ijl11 Library, the Intel JPEG Library. It provides unmanaged optimized routines for localized JPEG compression and decompression, essential for legacy 2D games and early imaging software to resolve localized texture manifests. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. ijl11 is part of the graphics or audio runtime used by many games. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores missing DirectX components, while a GPU driver update handles OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA-related files. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with ijl11 library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install ijl11 Library DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing ijl11 Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve ijl11 Library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.